welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, if you're having issues on the drop down menu on your WordPress page, this is what you're going to do. So I'm using the mobile view. This is Chrome. This is my Chrome browser. I'm using the mobile view on my Chrome browser. So you guys should, this is the mobile view where this cursor from this side to this side. This is the mobile view. If I use the full desktop view, this is the PC view here, this is the desktop view. Basically, I'm trying to fix the drop down menu. So if I bring the cursor to this portfolio, you can see there's a drop down menu here. There's a drop down menu. You understand? Now, same thing with the training, there's a drop down menu. But on the mobile view, which is this side, let's say I want to access. You guys know that the portfolio on the PC view, this is the drop down menu, wedding, commercial, and photography. Please note this is a client website and it's the same issue the client is facing. So the mobile view, I want the portfolio, the wedding, commercial, and photography. So see, I click photography, it shows it immediately. Page reloads and boom, showing this. Instead of it to show the drop down menu, then I click what I want. So we're going to fix this, and the easiest way to fix this, we're going to create a custom link, which I'm going to show you. Okay, you log on to your WordPress, the main dashboard, scroll down to appearance, visit appearance, then you go to menu. Yes, appearance, menu on your left side. Then when you get to menu, you look for the menu. Yeah, the name of this menu is main menu. Yours could be primary menu, but make sure you check the location and where the section which it is. You can see display location, main menu. That's the main menu on the website. So how do I fix this? Now, this is the portfolio page, like you see. Remember, on the PC, it's showing there's a drop down menu, but for the mobile view, it's not. This is the portfolio. Let's use another one. This is the training. See, PC is showing the drop down menu, and if I click training, it loads training. This is the mobile view. So we're trying to fix this, like I said. What you need is to create a custom link. Create a custom link, appearance, menu. This is a custom link. In the custom link, this is what you do. Create a custom link. So, but first I want to delete this page first, this portfolio page. I'm going to delete it first. I'll delete the page, or I'll have to create a duplicate page. But so I will still have to delete the page, but let me create this URL. We're using hash. Yes, just hash. Then for this we use portfolio. Good. Now because of this, I want to put portfolio 2, then add to menu. Good, I've added it to menu. You can see below portfolio, very good. So now I'm going to take it up, good. Yes, I've taken it up. I'm going to remove this page. Yes, I'm going to remove that. Remove it too. Good. Remember, wedding, commercial, photography. Yes, see it's sub item, and I'm going to save menu. Come down to your right, save menu. Come down to your right, save menu. As you can see, main menu has been updated. So right now I'm going to go now to my phone view. This is my phone view. Remember the beginning, phone view, and we load home page. Good. Now let's see it. Portfolio. and you see before it will just to load portfolio shows nothing. You understand? But now see portfolio, wedding, commercial, then I can click what I want, access the page I want. Also, we're going to do the same thing to training. See training, when you click training, see it loads. You understand? So the same method we're going to use, and let's do that quickly. Note the PC will still be the same. Nothing is wrong. The PC is good. Desktop view, you see, is perfect. Desktop view is perfect. You understand? So let's go back. Let's go back and fix the training. So this is the training. I'm going to fix it. Same process. You go custom link. Use hash. What's that? Training. Please follow this procedure step by step. Okay, I've added it. This is training. So I'm going to take it where training is. Good. This is it here. Good. So right now I'm going to remove the training page. Remove. Now put it under. See? Okay, I have to remove this test. I have to remove test because I don't actually use it. You understand? Like I said, this is the client website. This is not for promotion. The client website. We're fixing the drop down menu. I'm going to remove this. You don't worry about your own menu. Okay. You see the training. Then also, since I've added it, I can remove it too. Go to save menu. Good. Main menu has been updated. Now let's check it. Load the desktop view. Okay, so training is still there. Follow is still there. Now let's check the PC view. Reload the PC view. Go to home. Remember portfolio. See? Now training. See? We fixed it. Now drop down menu is showing successfully. This is how you fix it. If you have any issues, steps, kindly reach out from the mail. I will try my best to answer all inquiries or queries as fast as possible. So you can see we fixed it home, portfolio, and training. The drop down menu has been fixed successfully. Also, same on the web page. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.